pretty gang because we're all bad bitches over here. And if you want to be a part of the pretty gang, make sure you subscribe down below and hit that bell button right next to it because we're lit and you can be lit too. So, period. Let's just get right into today's video. Okay, so first I just had to show y'all this. I know it's a little corny, but who you know got their name? Wait, let me put it like this. Who you know got their name, their YouTube name on their wall? I will wait. But yeah, I just want y'all to see that because I'm extra. Okay, so the first thing I did, you want to make sure your hair is wet, like soaked wet. Mine is not completely soaked, but it's like 95% wet. So that way, this makes your bun even sleeker and more manageable because I have really thick hair, so I gotta, you know what I'm saying, I gotta do man this way so that way my bun can be as slick as possible. So now you see me just brushing my hair out. I flipped it over that way I can get my hair positioned the way I want it to be. So then I start brushing it forward to where I want it to be at and just smoothing it out with that brush, and that's pretty much all I'm doing at this point. Doing something that I like to call a decoy ponytail. This is just the way I get the best results when I do my buns. It just holds my hair up. That way I can slick my hair down before actually putting it in the ponytail. You know what I'm saying? My real subscribers know what I'm talking about. So I take Gorilla Snot and I put a lot on there. Like I just slap it on. You know, I'm talking about drowning my head in Gorilla Snot. Now let me stop playing, but I'll put a good amount and then I just start brushing it. The Gorilla Snot is messy, okay? It is messy. But I put a good amount, and then I start slicking it up with this brush and just smoothing it out. And you see what I'm doing here? Don't mind the hair on my neck. And then I'm going to take these two scrunchies, and I'm about to get ready to put it in a bun. Like, do you see how slick that Gorilla Snot got my hair? Bro, buy you some Gorilla Snot, okay? Get you some Gorilla Snot. So now I'm just touching it up and going back over it with this brush. Like, oh, look how slick. Oh, my goodness. And then I'm just touching it up with this brush and slicking it up. So I'm going to show you one way you can do your bun. I'm going to show you this little twisted bun. And then I'm going to show you the way I like to do it. This is just for those who like to do something different, who like to look elegant sometimes, you know what I'm saying? And then the other way is just for like something messy and cute. You know what I'm saying? You could look put together either way. So yeah. Favorite part, the edges. And then I sprayed them with water first so that way they could like curl up a little bit and be more manageable. And I brushed them down, and now I'm just putting a Gorilla Snot on my edges. You're gonna see this stuff get a little messy, but the edge part is pretty self-explanatory, so all you gotta do is watch. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I just want to say something really quick before I end this video. Let me tell you something. This is for my people who feeling down and out. They feeling low. They don't know what's next in their life. They're lost. Let me tell you something. God woke you up this morning for a reason. Jesus woke you up for a reason this morning. You got up this morning for a reason. You have some type of purpose. Keep that in mind every morning that you open your eyes. Keep that in mind. And keep striving and keep going. Sometimes it may seem like you may want to quit sometimes, but just keep going. And I just had to say that. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below what you want to see next. And that's it. Until next time, pretty gang.